Workshop we're in at the moment is our electrical instrumentation workshop. The first part of their apprenticeship they do electrical, so they do a mix of 10 weeks industrial electrical. But the second part of it is purely around the instrumentation and how they program. So 50% of that course is done, I suppose, working on equipment and tracking it and putting together a portfolio. So while they're working, they're developing a portfolio that tracks all the results they have, and that goes forward for the certification. They also do electronics as part of this programme as well. So they do 5 weeks electronics. So they will be doing soldering and learning the various tools, how to use the tools, and there'll be hand-eye coordination exercises delivered on that. So it is very, very practical. But at the end of their EI or their electrical instrumentation part, they do have something that they can take back to their employers. And we'd invite the employers out as well, just to have a look at what they've done on the piece of work, because it's a portfolio of work they've done from week 10 to week 20 to document it. So it's quite a significant piece of work they do.